Hello family, welcome to Retirement Days. So today I'm going to make pasta Primavera, and normally you put broccoli in it, but my husband won't eat broccoli, so I'm going to put that on the side and then we can add that in later. But I will be putting the peas in there. It'll be creamy, and I've got rotisserie chicken I'm going to add to it. It's still going to be really good. So yeah, and yep, this is gonna be fun. We'll see how I don't think I can get a glove over that, so this might have to be uncovered. 4 stitches. Last night, when it finally cooled down, I went out and took the pruning shears, they're hand shears, and I was pruning bushes, and I don't know what happened. I was done. I'm blessed. I was all finished, and I had the pruning shears in my other hand, and I don't know what happened. I really don't. All I know is all of a sudden I'm bleeding all over everything. So, yeah. But I still have to cook. we still have to eat. So, come and join me. Everything's growing so well. My husband is a faithful gardener. Look at way back in there, I've got those tiny little bells. Oh, I love that. There's so many things that are in one area, but that's the way I like it. And I'm very excited because look at this. Look at all I'm gonna be loaded with roses this year. My girlfriend gave me this bush a long time ago. Got my fountain going, and all my peonies are just really I got tons and tons of blossoms this year. And they're working. I think these ones are white, and then these are pink. Look what I got blooming. Yes. Lots of little blooms. I can't do any weeding right now. See, this is the rock garden my husband built, and he cemented in solar lights. And then I just change the tops when they burn out. But at night, it just glows. And the ferns have started to take over this side of the house. They take over everywhere. And this side of the house, the bleeding hearts are done pretty much. They're still, I still got a couple flowers on them, but yeah, this side's got a lot of stuff growing. The ferns are really taking over. Beautiful. I love red geraniums. And I got this color geranium. This is something that I made. And I got a solar light in it, and I put it outside during the day. And at night, it glows, and all those beads just glow. Hey, baby girl, what you doing? Are you liking this cool morning weather? Okay, I got the noodles going, and you can use whatever kind of noodles you want. These are the kind that I'm using. Okay, and I've got this oil warming up here, so I'm going to put some onion in here, and how much onion you want, totally up to you. And I'm gonna let that cook a little bit. I got it on medium. And I'm going to also add a couple tablespoons of butter. Just for, you know, you gotta have flavor. Yep. Okay, now I'm gonna add, I don't know, it's not very much, maybe a quarter cup mushrooms. Just to give it a little flavor and not to scare everybody in my company. And I'm gonna add some orange and red peppers. And I am going to add a couple cloves of garlic. Oh, let's see if I can do this. Oh, my finger hurts. So, but I've been through worse than this, man. It was really weird because when we're in the emergency room, because of course this had to happen after the clinics closed. But the doctor that came in was the son of my husband's childhood doctor. His dad was his doctor for when he was growing up. For the whole family, actually. So that was kind of, because he recognized me and said, "You look just like your dad." So yeah, that was kind of weird. Okay, I got a big mushroom in there that my husband's not going to like, so I have to cut it. Okay, just let this cook a little more here. Okay, now I'm going to add, start it with a half a cup. I'm going to start out with a cup. Kind of bring this to a boil first. And it's pretty much boiling, but I want it to be a good boil. Now I'm going to lower the heat to a simmer.
I smell peas. You're cooking me peas. You know I love them peas.
You're getting peas. Oh, what was the name of that show that you loved? Pa Kettle, that's right. At least you change your long johns. Oh, Pa Darlin' from Andy Griffith. Well, I am Aunt B, aren't I? Okay, my husband's having a wonderful day. When he starts doing movie characters, I know he's having a wonderful day. This is my typing hand. I mean, this is my main hand, and my job is typing. So that's going to be, I'm going to be a little slow next week. But I'm always been a perseverer. I've always persevered everything that came my way. The devil cannot knock me down, because I'm like one of those weeble wobbles. The Lord gives me that ability to be a weeble wobble. Try to knock me down, I'm going to bounce right back up. Can't do it. Now I'm going to add cream, and I'm going to add about a cup. Almost a cup. We'll see. Maybe I don't have to open the new one. Because lately I've been blessed to be able to eat foods with cream in it and not have too bad of a stomach ache. Okay, I'm going to let that simmer. Okay, now it's back to simmering. So now I'm going to add the cheese, and it says about a half a cup, but we will see. I'm going to add that much. Because you know what? I like cheese. If I have to have more cream, I'll add more cream. Because this is about making it your own, you know. Now we got to get this cheese melted, which it looks like it's pretty melted. Oh, it smells so good. Smell-o-vision. Come on, we got to invent that. They invented everything else. Okay, now I'm going to add the peas. And I'm going to add the chicken. Oh, that's looking good, good, good. And I'm going to get, where's my scissors? Where's my scissors? Some chicken pieces are a little bit too, I'm going to back that down to a simmer so I don't burn it, because that would be a real shame. Alright. Now I'm going to add the pasta. Suppose I should get my and I'm adding it all. I'm going to stir it, stir it, stir it. And like I said, I'm going to add the broccoli to our individual plates, which I have the broccoli warming up. Okay, I am going to add some more cream, maybe even a little more chicken bouillon. I'm just guessing here, because I added all the whole pound of the recipe that I looked at only called for half a pound of noodles, but I'm going to be feeding 3 people and making sure that my friend gets to take some home for her sister-in-law, which is one of my subscribers. So got to feed my subscribers if they're close to me. My husband loves cream, so we're going to add more, because he loves cream. And a little more chicken broth. And I'm going to add some more cheese. Gotta have some more cheese in there. And then I'm going to serve it with garlic toast, I think. Garlic bread. But I'm actually going to wait. I'm going to have to use the toaster oven for that, because I am not going to put this oven on. Okay, now I'm going to add, I'm going to let everybody salt it a little at their discretion. I'm going to add some pepper. And I'm going to add some more garlic. I added regular garlic, but I'm going to add some garlic powder. And let's see what else. I'm going to put a little bit of Italian seasoning in there, just for the fun of it. Just to see if anybody notices. I'm really not supposed to be using it for 24 hours, but you know what? Years ago, I knew a woman who had 14 children, and she owned a business. She owned a daycare center, go figure. But she'd go to the hospital and have the baby, go home, feed the family, take care of the kids, go back, take care of her baby in the hospital. She was quite the woman. That was back in the 80s. I'm just going to let this simmer a little bit, just to get warmed through, taste it to see if it needs anything else. I want it a little more creamy. This is basically look at the recipe to see what ingredients they have and then go from there. Make up your own. And that's what I'm doing. And I hope I remember what I put in here to put in the description box. But watch the video and you'll figure it out. You'll make your own masterpiece. I only have a smidgen left in there, so I'm adding the rest of that. Because I am just, gotta use, there's only a little tiny bit left, that's all. I'm not gonna dump it down the sink. I'd rather have it in my food. Look at that, you can see the strings from the Parmesan cheese. Oh, yum. This is my version of pasta. Is it Primavera or Primavera? I don't know. Okay. Oh, that looks good. Look at there. Now I'm going to put some broccoli on it. Okay, there, I added some broccoli to it. Doesn't that just look delicious? Thanks for joining me today for my version of pasta primavera, or primavera, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, it's delicious. I added a lot of cheese and a lot of cream, but that's me. So I'm going to taste it. I tasted it a little bit, but I didn't have the broccoli in there. This is delicious. You can really taste the cheese. Yum. So yeah, I so appreciate my subscribers. Thank you for being part of my family. It really keeps me going. I have a big family and I love it. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And to help me with the algorithms to get my videos out there moving more, for more views, push that like button, leave a comment if you like, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. And we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.